Hello guys, good morning and happy weekend to everyone. And today is Friday in Dubai and it's nice to be back again. So now today we are going to
the fish mall.
Yeah, so we're going to Waterfront fish market. So I want to show you how massive that place is, and they have different types of seafood. Right now it's 10 o'clock in Dubai, and I want to get some crabs, some shrimp and salmon, and the main thing that I want to get from that place is the clams or halaan. I want to make soup out of it. So I was been craving that since for the last 2 days. So right now it's weekend, so it's perfect time to go in that place, because during the weekdays it's quite traffic in that area because it is just too crowded.
Today is not good for me.
Yeah, Isabella doesn't have a school, and it has today is weekend. So today she doesn't have a school on weekend. Friday and Saturday she doesn't have a school.
When it's school, we can't go anywhere.
Yes, when in school we can't go anywhere.
We can't.
Yes. And Isabella, he brought her baby trolley with the baby.
Look, I show you. It's right now like this.
Her baby is naked.
Because I tore my baby's dress, but Mama's gonna stitch it.
Yes, because
Ma, during the holidays, you're gonna stitch my baby's dress?
yes.
You did not tell me that.
Actually, what happened to her baby doll? She used to give her a bath, and then of course you have to remove the head, the arms, so you can able to remove the clothes.
Look.
Then by doing so repeatedly,
I show you guys.
she tear the clothes.
Look.
So now I have to
See?
stitch it.
See? It can come off and it can fix back again.
Yeah, so that's what happened.
Actually happened.
Yeah.
I always give my baby a bath, but once a year
Once a year?
because Mama's not even washing clothes. And what can be my baby's towel for short notice?
Yes. And she start actually feeding her baby with real food.
Yes.
Imagine that. And after that, she wash the baby after having the food.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes, I even feed my baby pizza.
So now, guys, we are reaching to the place, and of course, we
Gloves.
have to wear. I
Gloves.
have to wear my gloves because I'll be touching the fish.
Yeah.
So,
You mean the crabs?
and also for our safety, we have to wear our gloves. This is the place. We are heading to the parking.
Yes, but do we need to go down, right, Dada?
Yes, so this is how it is.
Yes, this is going in and that's -1 is going out.
Yep.
So we need to go in. So we need. Look.
Now we are rich now, and we are in the parking. Now we're going inside.
Yes, with my baby.
Come. And now we are in the vegetable market, fruits and vegetables. And now we are going to the fish market. So this is the one. How much?
It's 25.
25?
Yeah.
Can I choose? Can I choose? Choose. So, see? Can you see the shrimp? It's big.
ठीक जनाब चाहिए
Kilo 15 dirham.
15 dirham.
Yeah.
This is local.
Yeah.
I don't want local. I've tried local. It's not
This
nice.
Norwegian, no local. This see, same Norway.
This is local. And now we are now in the cleaning section. We have to clean our fish. So we are here now waiting. Sabella, what are you doing? And now we are going now to the fruit and vegetable section because we're gonna have some coconut. I want coconut, but I want with the meat.
Yeah. How many are?
I need 3.
और मेरा बच्चा है तो किलो वाला फेमस वाला लाल इसका चुकन्ना दियो चुकन्ना दियो ओपन करो ना जाना ओ पागल वो या उधर आओ तुम के साथ
पूरा लेके जाएगा कितने बना लेगा पूरा निकालो खाली कितना है वो सब निकालो
जब bar. Itu bar na. Keren. Salah bar হইলে বড় কি? হ্যাঁ? গাড়িতে কইছে। গাড়ি না ব্যাগ তো করে করছি। Sweet potato.
And now we are done and we are heading home. We're gonna go home, Bella. You're enjoying your ride? Done our seafood shopping and now it's time for us to go home. And we bought this one. Actually, the first time I had this was in India, the last like 2 years back when we have gone for holiday in Goa. If you will be in the beach, there's some what you call this vendor will be selling like this. And you know, normally me and Bella will put this in the finger, inside the finger, and eat like this.
We're not acting right now.
Yeah. We like this. Very nice. This is also only 1 dirham.
You know what I said? Come here so we can take you there.
In the fish market, I bought 2 kg of shrimp,
2 kg of shrimp.
1 kg of crab, and 1 kg of pomfret fish, 2 kg of lapu-lapu fish or hamur, and 1 kg of baby squid. The small ones, like what we have in Philippines, the small one, I got it today. So 1 kg of that.
Mama,
Yes.
this can be snacks or something.
Yes. And what else more I've got? And 1 kg of salmon. And what is more?
And this.
Yeah, that's all. That's all I have taken. So yeah.
Mama, remember the lady fish?
Oh. Also,
The lady fish.
we've got a ladyfish. Ladyfish normally in Philippines we use it like for ginamos. Okay, like for ginamos.
Mama
That
forgot,
kind.
but I remind Mama.
So my husband call it
Because I think
ladyfish, but in Philippines we call it tulakhang. And normally we use it for ginamos. My husband will have it fry.
You know how I know, Mama? I remind my time in my brain.
Ah, you remind your brain.
No, I was rewinding what happened when Della wanted a ladyfish.
Ah, okay.
Ladyfish, so I told.
So you're rewinding your brain, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah. This, I will love this one.
Okay, I like this too. I'm gonna eat it all up.
You get 6 packets of this.
Yep. That's 6 packet.
Next one.
Hmm?
Oh.
Very nice.
Maybe 6.
Plus, we haven't we haven't eaten our breakfast today because we get up late today. We get up around past 8, but we have to, get ready because the fish market closes by I think 12 or 12:30. So we have to be in a hurry because we have also, of course, to travel. So we leave from home around 10 o'clock. And then after that, in that area also, when you buy your fish, there's also a cleaning section. So you can have your fish clean, and it will cost you like 2 dirhams or one. How much more?
How we got it? You should come here.
1 dirham per kg or 2 dirham per kg? I forgot. I don't know. Maybe 2 dirhams per kg. Yeah, 2 dirhams per kg. Then they will clean your fish. I'm happy with my crabs today. So fresh and so huge. So I'm gonna make some for lunch today. And also, I have bought sweet corn because Isabella loves sweet corn, and also myself, I love sweet corn. So I bought.
Wait, Mama.
Yeah.
And you also buy coconut.
Yes. So.
That's the only thing remaining.
Yes.
I remember that.
Yeah. So I bought 2 kg of corn, sweet corn, and we bought 3 coconut. Coconut in one coconut, it cost us around 80 pesos. So it's around 7 dirhams. So 80 pesos, kind of 80 pesos. So we got 3 because Isabella loved to eat the meat. So I just get 3 for her. So she had finished 1, and we have taken home the other 2. So anyway, I hope you like our vlog today. And for those, if you please give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to that. Go stay here.
Again, guys.
Sorry.
Yeah. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed our vlog today. And if you like, please give us a thumbs up. And please subscribe if you haven't yet, so you will be notified every time we have the new uploads. So happy weekend, everyone, and be safe.
Guys, if you click the like button, you never miss what new videos we upload.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
So thank you, guys. Bye. And we'll see you to our next one.
Bye.